Hello everybody and welcome back to Study with Julia. Today I've just woken up and it's a very, very big day because I am moving out of my family home into university halls. I'm going to take you guys along for the trip and the whole day basically. And as you can see, I've got quite a lot of stuff already. I think I showed it to you guys, I don't know. But I still haven't packed a lot of stuff. First things first, I need to get ready. I'm gonna strip my bed just so I can throw everything in the wash. I'm not taking any of those stuff, but just helping clear out the room for when I leave. So that's the first things on the agenda. Let's go. Okay, so bed is all stripped. Now I'll show you guys the outfit of the day. I need to be comfy, but I need to make like a good first impression, right? So this is the outfit. I don't know. I feel like it needs to be kind of tucked in because it's cold. And I need to do something about my hair because it looks very bad. But we'll figure that out soon because I'm meant to be at the accommodation at 4 p.m. So I have plenty of time right now, seeing as it is 8 a.m. I chose that time for my move-in time because I was like, let me have a last dinner with my family. And to be fair, it's only like half an hour to an hour in the car to accommodation. So well, actually, because it's 4 p.m. it might be. No, wait, it's a Saturday. I don't know. You guys will be along for the trip, so we'll see. But breakfast time. Okay, I did a bit of reading. This is a very good book, Searching for Novak by Mark Hodgkinson. And I've got the Billie Jean King Cup on. I'm very excited to watch that. I don't know, I kind of want Britain to win. But my favourite player is Emma Navarro, so I want her to win her match. So okay, I'm going in it with an open mind. But yeah, in like 5 minutes, my mum's probably going to come. And we're going to start packing my clothes probably into this bag here. So just gonna relax while I can because I don't have much relaxation left for today. I'm actually sweaty. I've done most of my makeup, pretty much I think all of my clothes there, and then everything on my desk is also stuff I need to take, but I think we're pretty close to the end of all this. My back hurts. Oh, I want to take this as well, my Tim McRae poster. It's signed and I think it's cool. Should I show you guys some of the fun things I'm taking? I'm taking my scrapbook that I made for this year. Oh, it's upside down. Summer 2025 for the memories. If I get sad, I can look back on it. What else? I'm taking a colouring book and colouring pencils. There we go. And some of my CDs and my player. Boom. Okay, my neighbour just came. And I got a little lucky bracelet, and they brought us like some breads and something. I'm just gonna put this pillow here. Nah, actually, but I'm taking a break. I'm gonna finish the Billie Jean King Cup match. It's not going my way so far, not the way I would have wanted it to. Then I'm gonna finish off packing. Basically, I just have to pack the stuff on my desk, which is there. And then I just need to take some stuff out from under my bed, but that's literally just my jewellery, and I don't have much of that anyway, so. Okie dokie, that was a very long match. I think it was over 2 hours. Right now, I just need to pack, whoops, I just stepped on something. I think I stepped on some crackers. Anyway, I just need to pack some fun stuff in this bag. Well, big bottle of water, because, I don't know, my mum said to pack a big bottle of water. And I like everyone, so if my parents are paying for it, then I'll gladly take it. But yeah, hold on, let me set you guys up. Everything's such a mess right now, man. Is that okay? You can kind of see. CDs. I'm very worried about my CDs. Anything happening to them, especially because two of them, this one and this one, oops, are signed. I don't know if you can see. So I'll put them at the very top. Extension lead cable. Don't know what it's called. That can go in there. Oh wait, I'll put my jewellery box on the top. Oh, well, that sticker left a residue, but you can never have too many. And I don't actually know what they're called. But some of those. I have some gift cards. I can put that in the side pocket because I feel like I'm gonna need all the help I can get. Headphones. I do have AirPods, but they're not very comfortable. So I'll take these. Phone charger. I have these two books. These are the only 3 books I have that I haven't finished reading, or finished or haven't read yet. So I'm taking these, but also taking my library stamp in case I buy any more books, so I can stamp them and I won't lose them. I'm gonna try and place them in neatly because unfortunately I only have 1 book sleeve, which I'm actually using as a bookmark right now. But yeah. Notebook and my bookmarks are safely in here. My Bible and my UCAT very gently. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna shut this. Let's give it a go. Oh, and the jewellery on top. Some of the fun stuff packed. Wait, I can put the CDs between my clothes. Right over there. And then they should be protected. I'll ask my mum about that. But that should be good. Okay, let me see if I should do that. It is just before 1 p.m. I'm tired. I'm sweaty. But I think that's everything packed. I'm a bit scared because I feel like it's not going to fit in my room. But that's okay. I think I'm gonna read a bit more. Just relax a bit. I'm starting to feel a bit sad. I'm leaving my room and everything. But while I remember, I want to take the poster. I shouldn't have one-handed it. Hold on. That was a bit dirty on top. And I want to take some pictures. Hold on. I'll take my dog. Me, my siblings, and my mum. And this one. I'll take those. Those 4. I could take the ones, my famous people up there. Should I? Might as well. I'm in my sister's room because I'm charging my iPad. I've packed all of my chargers, but we are at this stage where everything's all nice and packed. So I'm just taking all of this stuff into the car. Quite a bit of it, so might take us a while, but it's 2:40. So a pretty good timing actually. But my mum's friend came over and she bought me some white sage to clean up my room. I got another little bracelet for good health and like a gemstone. That's like meant to, I think, like tiger's eye. I don't know my gemstones, but it's apparently meant to like help you with learning. And then this cute little like hanging thing I'll show you guys probably when I'm all moved in. It had like this nice inspirational quote. Can't remember it off the top of my head, but yeah. Okay, let's start bringing things down to the car. Okay guys, I'm officially here, as in, I'm sure you saw the first snap of my room that I just probably rolled in the video for you. It's been like an hour since then. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little room tour right now. First of all, we've got the bathroom. Here we go, lovely little mirror actually. Nowhere to hold any toiletries, which is what's annoying. Oh, I need to put mine. Still have to do a lot of things, but yeah. We've got the sink, all the stuff that I need. Toilet, they actually gave us a toilet brush. And the, what's it called? Shower. One thing, it doesn't, it's literally just that. Like, it doesn't have, like, you know, the shower things that you hold. That's fine. And then I've got my towel. Made it a bit homey with the bath mat and everything. And then turn the light off in there. But that was the bathroom. Hung up all my coats and everything. Put my shoes out. Here's just some of my laundry bag, things like that. Still need to unpack. And put everything away because it's a mess. But lots and lots of storage. I have like, this is my bed. I have storage boxes here, things like that. And then just a whole, I don't really know what I would put in here, but good to have. Whoops. And then I have two kind of drawers that I can just drag out and store stuff in. I think I still have space in the second one. Whoopsie daisy. Yeah, didn't put anything in there. But yeah, as I said, the bed, the window, all nice. Wardrobe on top, I'm probably not gonna reach there. That was me on my tiptoes. Wardrobe is pretty big. All my stuff. There. My rice, my shoes, everything. And then the desk. We got fans, which is very nice. I might actually turn it on because it is September, but it's boiling hot in this room. Let's see if it works. That's nice. Yeah, that is very good. Got my kitchen stuff. Mum said not to put anything in my kitchen right now. Desk space here. Well, above desk storage. I've got some drawers here. They're all empty, I believe. Yeah. Gave us a bin. And then the actual desk, not the window. And then just, I think I'll put my box here. But overall, oh, let me shut the peephole. I'm a bit annoyed because I actually can't see out the peephole because I'm too short. But I am impressed. This is very nice. So, step by step, I need to start organising everything. Let me see how that goes. Might take a while. Guys, I can't lie. I kind of forgot. I was FaceTiming my friend to show her around. But now I'll show you guys around. I might go to a welcome thing. I'm still trying to figure out because a friend of a friend actually goes. So I might go with her. As into the uni. But yeah. This is all sorted. All clean. Bathroom. I've managed to sort that mess out a little bit. Bathroom's just the bathroom. Like, shower's just a shower. Wardrobe's all nice, I think. It's all my clothes really and just some nondescript stuff. Bed is made. Not too nicely, but it will do. Food stuff, kitchen stuff. I might go make myself a cup of tea in a bit actually. And then my favourite space, the desk. That's really homey. That's random stuff. And then this is just my favourite pictures, my favourite moments. So I love it. Let me just go check if me and my friend are going to the welcome thing. Met up with a friend from my old school and we literally chatted for like 3-4 hours. Everyone seems really nice here. I'm about to go shower. And then I'll give you guys my closing thoughts. But my eyes are shutting. So I'm going to do that now real quick. Okay. Just about to get into bed. I'm going to watch some Netflix. Maybe read a bit. Let me actually test out the bed. Because I've been sitting on it. But, mattress is very soft. Maybe a bit too soft. Let me get the lamp down for the filming portion. Oh yeah, wait, that's such a cozy light. So homey. Thoughts on the first night? I actually thought it would feel weirder. Like, it just feels right to be here. Like, it doesn't feel like, oh, this is what I've been waiting for. Right, I mean, like, I don't feel a difference. But maybe because, like, I've been away for nights before. Maybe I need to be away for longer. Everything is very nice. Enjoying everything. I've also realised that I'm lucky to have 2 windows in my room. So my friend only has 1. I'm very happy. Can't wait to see what tomorrow will bring. Maybe I'll explore more of I didn't show you guys the kitchen. I haven't even been in the common room. Might go tomorrow. Plans for tomorrow: church, some grocery shopping, and yeah, probably explore the common room. But yeah, I mean, that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please remember to like, comment, anything, thoughts if you're moving in, how you're feeling, how it went for you, or just any words of support would be nice. If you could subscribe, I'd be very grateful. Soon, probably going to get properly back into studying. But if you want to see my vlog where I studied to prepare for this upcoming school year, uni year, click here to see how that went. But I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye-bye.